These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory.
Risky, yes, your body risky. Risky.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Delia C, and today I will be doing this makeup tutorial using this e.l.f. palette that I got from Walmart for $4. So this eyeshadow is very affordable and very pigmented. e.l.f. been coming through. If you guys are interested in this look right here, please continue to watch before I get into this makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you guys will be notified. With that being said, let's get into this tutorial. So guys, I already did my brows off camera, and I'm just gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer and Fawn, and I'm just gonna apply that all over my eyelids.
It's safe, 'cause it's been hard. You know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up.
So now that my concealer is all blended out, I'm gonna take this e.l.f. palette, Berry Bad, and I'm gonna use this brown color right here. I'm gonna put that right in my crease.
I'm coming home. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring. Make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause the cold air is calling and my head's recalling the moment that I was convinced. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring. Make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard, I know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home to you. These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard.
I'm gonna go in with this light pink color right here.
There was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home. Hold on to my embrace, this time I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard. You know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard
Now that my lashes are on, I'm gonna move into foundation. I'm gonna prime my face with this e.l.f. primer right here.
Up till morning and head out exploring. Make up for months that we've missed. Cause the cold air is calling and my head's recalling the moment that I was convinced. We'll stay up till morning.
So I'm gonna put my foundation on, and as always is Maybelline Fit Me in the color 330.
It's been so hard, but no, I wanted to stay. Caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home to you.
I'm gonna use NYX Wonder Stick in Deep Profound, and I'm gonna use that to contour.
Think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard.
Ooh, child, what the hell did I do?
Oh, okay.
To say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home. Hold on to my embrace this time, I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe?
Now I'm gonna set my face using my trusty Airspun powder.
There was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home. I'm coming home. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring. Make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause the cold air is calling and my head's recalling the moment that I was convinced. We'll stay up till morning and head out exploring. Make up for months that we've missed. 'Cause your lips are calling and my heart's recalling the way I could never resist. It's been so hard, but no, I wanted to stay. Caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's hard with you, but I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you.
I'm gonna line my lips using this brown eyeliner by Wet n Wild.
These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you.
Then I'm gonna use this NYX Butter Gloss in Sugar Wafer.
I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you.
Okay, now I'm gonna apply my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold.
Hold on to my embrace, this time I promise it won't break. I'm hoping that things haven't changed. Life took us far apart, but it never took away my heart. Have you been holding it safe? 'Cause it's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say
So guys, this is my final look. I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. Before I leave, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Hit the notification bell so whenever I upload a video, you guys will be notified. Thanks guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!